In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Canva. Grouping layers is a simple but really powerful way to keep your designs organized and easy to edit, especially when you're working with a lot of elements on the same page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to select multiple items and group them so you can move, resize, or edit them all at once. First, open your Canva design in the editor, just like you normally would. This can be any type of design: a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or anything else you're working on. Once your design is open, make sure you're on the page that contains the elements you want to group. Now, take a look at the individual items on your canvas. These might be text boxes, images, shapes, icons, or other graphics. What we want to do is select all the layers that should stay together. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep holding it as you click on each element you want to include in the group. You'll see a selection box or outline appear around each item you click on, showing that it's been added to your current selection. If you accidentally select something you don't want, you can keep holding Shift and click that item again to deselect it. This makes it easy to fine-tune exactly which layers you're grouping. Once you've finished selecting all the layers you want, you can release the Shift key. At this point, you'll notice a small toolbar appearing near your selection, usually close to the elements you've highlighted. On this toolbar, you'll see an option labeled Group. Go ahead and click on the Group option. As soon as you do that, all the elements you selected will be combined into a single group. You'll know it worked because when you click on any part of that group, every element inside it will be selected together. From now on, you can move the group around the canvas as one unit, resize it by dragging the corners, or even duplicate it if you want to reuse the same arrangement elsewhere in your design. If you ever need to edit an individual piece, you can either double-click inside the group or use the Ungroup option in the same toolbar to separate them again. And that's all there is to it. That's how to group layers in Canva so your designs stay neat, consistent, and easy to manage.